All right, today we're gonna give you guys cleaning equipment that's included in this bag. We're gonna go ahead and open it up and see what you get. So just to let you guys know, the vendor was kind enough for sending it out for us to review. So let's go ahead and open it up. So first of all, you guys can see this is a sponge that we get, but there's an attachment. It's a Velcro attachment to something else, and this you could use for waxing, cleaning out. We're gonna show you guys everything that's included in here. So we're gonna put that down. You get, this is actually pretty good. This is actually a duster for vents, any kind of like air conditioner vents. If you guys see 3 or 4 or 3 to 2, you could display, you could actually stretch it out. It's a little cleaner to dust everything out of there. Another one, another Velcro one. This is the black one. They give you a brush, and if you guys notice, there's an attachment. This is for a drill gun, so you can start scrubbing, and this is good for tires. All right, don't recommend you doing this on your actual car with the drill gun. Make sure it's only for probably the rubber parts of your car, like the bumpers, and then maybe your tires too. So we're gonna put that down. Here's another one. They give you a smaller one for the actual dust control for the actual vents. A smaller brush, another Velcro attachment. This is the actual attachment where all the Velcros stick to it. If you guys can see it, it has Velcro right here. And this actually attaches to the drill gun too. So we're gonna put that down. They give you a couple of these fabric so you could clean and dry your car, or maybe even wax the car. You could soap this up and wash your car with this one. All right, here we have some copper brushes. If you guys can see it, steel copper brushes. This is actually good for the actual tires, the brake area. This will get any kind of grind out of it. So they give you 3 of them. Here we have a sponge. It's pressure in the bag right now, if you guys can see that, but it's a sponge and it expands. Here we have a brush with actually a drill attachment, and this is actually really good for your tires. And out of the bag here we have a little duster. If you guys can see it, it's a little bristles that you can see. This actually could go anywhere, little areas in between your car and the top of it, and some of the areas, some of the vents. So they give you 5 of these in different sizes. All right, they give you 5 of these in different sizes, if you guys can see, but this will last you for many years, including the instructions on everything available.